Okay, I'll be right back. But, hi guys, I'm be showing you a recipe to prank somebody. That it is slime. Slime. I'm gonna set it over because I kind of set it very, very well. So I'm post this one. Great. Okay. So, anyways, today we're going to be making a fake slime. Fake slime, okay? Well, a fake slime will be ingredients is, sorry if y'all saw that. Oh yeah. I gotta go somewhere else because people keep on telling me and it's annoying. So I'm about to go maybe buy her a trampoline or something. But yeah. So, and now I dropped my spoon. I don't like today, okay? Today is just not my day. Okay, I can still use it. It'll be okay. It's not gonna do anything. So today I'm gonna be pranking somebody. See this? No. I'll show you. That. Trust me, in the camera it kind of doesn't look like slime, but it actually does look like slime. Okay. So first ingredient, soap. Any kind of soap you want besides the, it has to be liquid soap with shampoo. Or you can use conditioner. There's stuff for your hair and stuff like that. Second, it's salt. And you're probably wondering, what do we need salt? That is to make the bubbles to look like slime. The bubbles. And then it kind of makes little dots, but that's okay because it makes them look realistic. So a little bit, I said salt, pepper. And you can add salt to make clear bubbles. I just now put on lotion because the next ingredient is lotion. So I just decided, hey, I'm gonna put on lotion to make my skin look better. My skin does not look like this. It looks worse, but I'm not trying to say it in a mean way, but he's mowing. Wait, is he mowing? I think he's mowing our yard. Our yard just needs to be mowed, though. I actually don't think he is. I think he just not drove into our shed. Okay, so he did that. I'm just gonna sit on the ground. Well, yeah. So second ingredient will be hand sanitizer. You could add hand sanitizer, but you don't have to. Okay, so soap, salt and pepper, body lotion, and then I want men's conditioner and shampoo. So it can be a 2-in-1. Men's. So, yeah. If y'all want to know the one I used, mine's silver, and it's just, I don't know how to explain it because it doesn't really say anything because I'm outside and I don't feel like going to get it. but men's conditioner, 2-in-1. Men's 2-in-1. There's seriously someone just now went in our shed. No joke, not knowing who it is. But y'all might think I'm stupid for this, but I'm letting it happen. Get it over with, letting it happen, because I'm doing the video. Nothing will stop me. Okay? Nothing. So like I said, still doing the vid. Ow. Okay. Lighting. Okay. I'm sorry that I'm running around so much, but you know what? I'm staying right here. Once I move, I'm not gonna move anymore. Okay. I'm gonna stay where I go the first time. That's gonna be in my house. Inside.
What is that?
I'm making something.
What?
Slime.
What?
Slime.
I thought how you making that
Okay. Pranked somebody. Pranked her. Okay, go. Okay. I know you're staring at that, but the wall right now. Okay. Next ingredient is, yeah, that's all the ingredients. And then you mix it up. It looks like that. Oh gosh. Just mix it up and like put it in the refrigerator. I mean, this is just how to make a fake slime. But if you put it in the fridge, I actually haven't tried this yet. If you put it in the fridge, it actually might turn into slime if you're lucky. Because I did this, and this man, he did it, and it turned into slime. And this is actually a very, very rare thing to happen. Like, for it to turn into slime with using these ingredients. But if it does, congratulations. If it will, or if it did, you've already tried it out. So, goodbye, guys.